Hello students, in the last video we have studied different sources of history, chapter number 1, sources of history of standard 8. We have studied oral source and written source. In this video we are going to study sources of history of ancient of medieval and modern Indian history with the historical sources, which includes materials like written source, oral source and material source. Similarly, sources are based on modern technology, that is audio video and audio visual sources. Material sources. Material sources are those sources which can be seen, which informs us about the past and present event with the proof. Material sources are various objects, monuments, plays, coins, sculptures, etc., which can be included into material sources of history. Building and places of modern Indian history. The period of modern Indian history is to believe the period of Europeans, especially the British rulers and the governance of princely states. In this period, various buildings, bridges, roads, water supply, fountains, etc. were built. This building includes government offices, residences of officers, leaders and revolutionaries. The places of princely state members are also included in. Forts, prisons are also the part of this material source. Among all these monuments, many buildings are intact even today and declared as national monuments, means nation's monument which cannot be destroyed, and the government takes care of it. Whereas some are converted into museums and cellular jails, as cellular jail in Andaman and Nicobar, which speaks about a revolutionary work of V.D. Savarkar. Visiting Mani Bhavan in Mumbai or Sevagram Ashram at Wardha gives us the information about Gandhian era, means Gandhi's history, as we were not present in that period, but we all know Gandhiji and we all love Gandhiji as we always see him on the notes, currency notes. Do you know talks about the study of history of various objects, paintings and photographs of Gandhiji, of Gandhian era. At Aga Khan Palace in Pune, we can see different objects, documents giving information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. As you all know Mahatma Gandhi, you have not seen him, but you know about him and you love him because you all see Mahatma Gandhi on the currency notes. Statues and memorials. During the pre-independence and post-independence period, memorials of many personalities were erected in the form of statues. These statues are also important for the study of modern Indian history. The various statues provides information about the contemporary rulers and eminent personalities, means great rulers and famous personalities. The display plaque on the statues give us the information about the full name of a concerned person, birth and detailed information about the personality in the form of biographies of a person, just as the statues of Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. These are the memorials which were erected in the memory of various events, which gives us information about the concerned event, period, people related to the events. Hutatmak Smarak at various places also gives the informations about the great personality who had ruled our country by love and affection. I hope you all have understood our different sources of history, that is material source, written source and oral source. We have also studied how the sources help us to know the past history with the present, and which will be really helpful for us for the future by preserving it for the future generation. Hereafter, you will complete the exercise given to you all and the projects given in the textbook. Thank you.